Yeah, I have gone through the brief. I'll send you the first cut by 3 days. In 3 days. Yes, I will. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, bye. बट यार कह तो दिया है 3 दिन और तुझसे नहीं हुआ तो वो डिसअपॉइंट हुए तेरा काम देख कर तो हाउ विल यू डू ऑल दोस फैंसी थिंग्स दे वांट यू टू डू
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, deadline. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are staying safe because the virus is only getting worse, so don't let your guard down. So this week I had a lot of things to do. I was really busy and I was swarmed with work, and as a freelancer I would say it is such a blessing, so touch wood. So I had to pull off really long nights of work to finish this week's vlog, but I'm so happy I was able to finish it. Do you realize I wrote this in my video before I actually finished my edit, so I knew I was going to finish it? The reason I had to work really long nights to finish my this week's work is because my weekly confidence crisis episode was going on. Sadly, I have very reoccurring episodes of my confidence crisis and it slows down my work speed awfully. So I'm sure a lot of you go through it, especially freelancers, so I decided to talk about it. So for example, if I take like 2 days to edit a video, with my confidence level intact, I will take exactly double the time to edit the same video with my confidence crisis happening. So I wanted to start this channel like 2 years ago, but I could never gather enough confidence to believe that I will have something worthwhile to say to people. So after 2 long years, I finally decided to start the channel and I shot it, and it took me 2 weeks to actually sit down and edit the video, which I would have done in 1 day because I kept thinking I won't be able to do a good job with it. And it will be a really rubbish video. So this happens to me with not only with my work but with clients' work also. I have to really hold myself together and continuously tell my mind to not think badly, because every time I have work, my mind just goes into a fuse and keeps telling me that मुझसे नहीं होगा, मुझे नहीं आता, what is this, I can't do this. And you know what I tell my mind every time?
मैं? हाँ, तुम जमीन के बारे में सब कुछ जानते हो? मैं जानता हूँ। हाँ, जानते हो।
And the worst is when my confidence crisis sort of strikes me in the middle of my work, then I try to avoid confrontation with my work as much as I can till it's one night before the deadline day and I just run and pull all-nighters with it. So when I talk to clients and they're giving me a video brief or a shooting brief, I always get cold feet. And I literally get goosebumps from it sometimes just by thinking कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ ना मुझसे तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Even though I have done the same work so many times for so many years that I can literally do it with my right hand. You know, because I'm lefty. And when I get overwhelmed by this feeling, sometimes I really just want to run and not take projects and hide somewhere and not be an adult who has to confront people. And then I again tell my brain the same thing.
हाँ हाँ, तुम जमीन के बारे में सब कुछ जानते हो? मैं जानता हूँ। हाँ, जानते हो।
And with all honesty, I have actually left projects because my confidence crisis was too high at one point of time in my life. But then I realized that life doesn't always give you second chances, and I can't really let go of a lot of good things just because I'm acting like a very little scared child. So to tackle this problem, I came up with a solution. So I took my phone and made a note on it called every time I thought I couldn't do it and I did it. I write about every project that I finished while I was not feeling too confident about it and did it so well that everybody loved it. So now every time a client's brief overwhelms me or I don't feel good about a vlog I made, I go through that list, I read it and I reassure myself. So this is a method I randomly thought about while trying to beat my self-doubt, but I would really recommend it to all of you now because it really worked for me. Keep making a list of your moments when you overcome fear and self-doubt to achieve something, and keep a reminder of your strength with you at all times, because all of us have a very short-term memory in this department. So it can be like a little note you're writing to your future self. But honestly, all of you are doing such great work in life and everywhere that it's only human of me to not feel very confident when I look at all of you. So I also follow few therapists on Twitter because they tweet about mental health, which I find really helpful. And one of them wrote this line which really resonated with me, and I always remember it. It says, remember what will happen if you start replacing what if it goes wrong with what if it goes right. तो उल्टा सोचने की आदत हमें छोड़नी पड़ेगी. Maybe after that I won't have to pull all-nighters to finish my work, and I'll finish it at a decent time to catch some sleep as well. I hope my method of making a list really helps you. And if you really like my videos, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. And let me know in the comment section below so I can add this video to my list as well. And I'll see you next week. Until then, I'll go and tell myself.
मैं? हाँ हाँ, तुम जमीन के बारे में सब कुछ जानते हो. मैं जानता हूँ. हाँ, जानते हो.